Imagine a field where crops grow healthy and strong. Behind that thriving ecosystem lies the heart of soil fertility, organic matter and humus. These two components play a critical role in maintaining soil health and supporting plant growth. In this video, we'll explore why organic matter and humus are vital for soil fertility, how they work, and how you can improve your soil with them. Organic matter is made up of plant and animal residues, anything from decaying leaves and roots to manure and decomposed animals. This matter is broken down by microbes in the soil, transforming it into an important resource. Organic matter is like the building block of healthy soil. It's what gives soil structure, helps it retain moisture, and provides nutrients to plants. As plants die and animals contribute to the cycle, their remains become food for soil organisms. Over time, this process converts the organic material into something that's even more vital: humus. Humus is the final stage in the decomposition process. It's a dark, nutrient-rich substance that stays in the soil long after other organic materials have decomposed. Humus is essential for soil fertility because it acts as a reservoir for nutrients. It holds on to vital minerals like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, making them available for plants when they need it. Humus also improves soil structure. It helps bind soil particles together, creating tiny air pockets that allow roots to grow deeper and access water more easily. This also helps reduce erosion by stabilizing the soil. Organic matter and humus aren't just about feeding the plants. They're about creating a thriving ecosystem within the soil. They support a diverse community of microorganisms that help break down nutrients, decompose organic materials, and suppress harmful pathogens. This microbial activity helps keep the soil alive and balanced. In addition, the organic matter improves water holding capacity, meaning your soil retains more moisture, reducing the need for irrigation. It also enhances soil's ability to drain excess water, preventing waterlogging, which can damage plant roots. The benefits of organic matter and humus go beyond fertility. By enriching the soil with organic material, you can also improve its resilience to climate extremes like droughts or heavy rainfall. Healthy soils with high organic matter content are more likely to maintain stability, even under challenging conditions. In contrast, soils lacking organic matter are often prone to erosion, compaction, and nutrient depletion, leading to lower crop yields. So, nurturing soil health with organic matter isn't just a good practice. It's a long-term investment in sustainable agriculture. So, how can you improve the organic content of your soil? One of the most effective ways is through composting. By adding decomposed organic materials like food scraps, manure, and plant matter, you can build up the organic content in your soil over time. Another method is using cover crops. These plants help fix nitrogen in the soil, add organic matter when they decompose, and prevent soil erosion. Additionally, mulching your soil with leaves, straw, or grass clippings can provide organic material and protect your soil from the sun's harsh effects. In summary, organic matter and humus are the foundation of soil fertility. They nourish plants, support soil life, improve water retention, and even protect the environment. Whether you're a farmer, gardener, or environmentalist, enriching the soil with organic materials is essential for building long-term, sustainable soil health. The heart of soil fertility is waiting to be nurtured. Let's work together to bring it to life. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more tips on soil health and agriculture.